Hey guys, in this video we will be learning how to draw an arc cabinet using ceiling function. Alright, so today we are going to draw a custom cabinet by using ceiling function. Alright, how do we do that? Let's get started. Alright, so firstly go into your customization function and click onto your ceiling function. Alright, click onto your ceiling and then select background wall design. Alright, so for the first step, we are going to draw a rectangle. Okay, so draw a rectangle shape, okay, and then click onto the rectangle and then resize them. Alright, so for my length, I'm going to resize it to 1000, and for my width 700. Alright, so this would be my cabinet. Alright, so for my cabinet until the floor, the distance would be 100. Alright, so now the next thing I'm going to do is that draw another rectangle below underneath the cabinet. This would look like my skirting. Okay, so I have basically, when I zoom in closer at the right corner, you can see I have a cabinet shape already. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is that click onto the cabinet and then I would like to chamfer this corner. Okay, so click on chamfer, untick the batch edit. Alright, so as you can see, 1 2 3 4, I only want this side, so I'm going to just edit this side. Alright, so for the type, I'm going to select an outer fillet, and for the radius, I'm going to give it a 150 radius. Alright, so as you can see, it curves a little bit. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is that I would like to extrude them up. Okay, so right now is actually basically laying flat against the wall. Alright, so to extrude them out, click on the cabinet. Alright, and then off the wall, I'm going to change it to 500. Alright, so for the bottom one, for the skirting as well, I'm going to change it to 500 as well. And as you can see, it looks like a cabinet already. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I am going to offset. Okay, I'm going to offset the inner part and I'm going to just key in -20. Okay, so click onto the offset layer and then off the wall, change it back to 1. Alright, so as you can see, I have a hole already, okay, which almost looks like a cabinet. Okay, so now what we are left of is the door. Okay, so for the door, highlight the frame. Okay, make sure you hold on to your control. Okay, so make sure you hold on to your control and select the frame, okay, until you see a blue highlighted. Okay, you have selected the frame, highlight the frame. Okay, next thing you're going to do is click on the rectangle and then start drawing the shape of the door. Okay, so we would draw a shape. Okay, so I have one door already. Okay, so just click onto my door and off the wall, I'm going to change it a little bit, 520. Okay, so the next thing, I am going to create another door. Alright, so right click, paving, continuous paving, just drag to your left, just one will do. Before clicking anything, type in. As you can see, I type in 2. 2 is actually the gap size. Alright, then click on enter. Alright, so basically I have my door ready. Okay, so for this door, I would like to chamfer it at this corner. Just follow according to my cabinet. So click on the left door, okay, and then chamfer, untick the batch edit. Alright, so for this side, I'm going to change the outer fillet and then the same thing, radius, I'm going to give it 150. Alright, and when you and as you can see, I already have a cabinet ready. Okay, so now I could return and then I can go into my texture. Alright, maybe I select a wood grain texture and just give my door some colors. Okay, so I'm going to just put it right here. Okay, and if I would like all these sides to be the same color as this one, alright, all you need to do is just right click and then all same style. Alright, same thing right over here at this corner, right click on top of the site and then click on all same style. Right, and there you have it. This is how to draw an arc cabinet by using the ceiling function. Good luck trying, guys.